Okay, so I have my opinion, and it's right some of the times, and it's wrong some of the times, and we're all different. Now, having said that, I always be careful when I say that, especially in the fitness world, because then everybody says, "Yeah, that's me." Generally speaking, it's not. Like for instance, I'm going to put out some stuff that says that the average human, actually 99% of the humans out there, need 8 hours of sleep. That doesn't mean we get 8 hours of sleep. That doesn't mean that you can't survive with 8 hours of sleep. However, um, if you're running in the Olympics and you carry a 10-pound weight, probably not going to win, but you can do it, right? So this and the interesting thing is a little bit of research that I was listening to today. You have to give yourself the opportunity to get 8 or 9 hours of sleep. So if you go to bed for 9 hours, like I got the Aura ring. We used to have the watch, and I stepped up to the Aura ring, but I'll just pull it up and read you what happened last night. Um, Vitals, sleep. Okay. So it took me 28 minutes last night to go to sleep. So that's starting to get in the red. It should take you 10 to 20 minutes, they say, on average to go to sleep. If you go to sleep actually in under 5 minutes, that usually means that you're extremely tired. You probably worked yourself a little bit harder than you should have.
Oh, that's
But
me.
28
I'm a
minutes for me is actually
head
pretty
hits the
good.
pillow person.
What?
I'm a head hit the pillow person. Lay down, I'm out.
So yeah, so you got that. So I don't, yeah, you can see it. So the white is how many times I woke up last night. Now, I usually have 3 to 5 times I wake up, but last night I woke up and stayed awake quite a bit longer. Usually it's like 5 minutes, 2 minutes. I don't even remember that I did it. I just woke up and go back to sleep. The light blue at the very top, right under the white, is my REM sleep when I'm dreaming. The little darker color blue is just regular sleep, basically, and then the dark blue is deep sleeper in REM, non-rapid eye movement. And interestingly enough, you see, there's not a lot of deep sleep going on in my well, actually, at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. That's actually a lot, but in a little small areas. So, and then it will. Let's see, where is it? Oh, right there. So, I you can see there. You can see that 82% efficiency in sleeping, which isn't that great. It sounds good, but it's not. Well, I slept 6 hours, or sorry, yeah, 6 hours and 47 minutes. I'm trying to read. There we go. There we go. REM sleep, an hour to 20%. Deep sleep, 10%. And it gave me timing was optimal, which means that I went to bed during my circadian rhythm. And the ring just says that I should go to sleep between 9:30, and it does this thing with all kinds of like how your body temperature goes down, or all kinds of little things that happen to get it figures out your circadian rhythm, melatonin, when it starts to be released and things like that. So between 9:30 and 10:15 is the optimal time after about 2 or 3 months that my app says that I should go to bed, and I should get up around 6:30 is what it's optimal. Now, I do actually go to bed most of the time before in that time frame. I'm competitive, and so I don't